I don't care if age are differences, as long as we are happy and to build our family. Hi, I am SHIELA. I am 34 years old. I have 2 kids. I have 9 and 2 years old sons. And I'm working as real estate agent and seasonal, working in a Golf Fashion Co. Ltd. and as a reseller of cosmetics products. And I'm here now. I'm looking for someone to be. I'm interested that he is bubbly, sweet, and have a sense of humor, and of course, and loving. And I hope he will serve, and I will spend him the rest of my life. And being me, I am simple, a lady living in a jungle and a forest. I am very simple lady and lovely and have a family oriented. The most important for me, a man, is the man that I am very comfortable, and we have just as him. We have understand our cultures, respect, and hopefully I meet him. And of course, to build our family is we need to more understand, and of course have a kind personality, and I hope it's you, and hopefully I can meet you soon. Well, I have 2 kids. I have 2 sons. They are 9 years old and 2 years old, and maybe of course in the future maybe I want a little girl, and hopefully in God's plan. I'm looking for the man that, for me, age doesn't matter. I am this age, and I'm 34, and of course, I'm ready to someone to be in my life. I don't care if age are differences, as long as we are happy and to build our family. Well, the mans that I look at, I don't really more perfect quality in this guys, but what I wanted in guy that I be comfortable and accept me who I am and my kids, and to be build this strong relationship and happy family that I wanted in my life. Appearance is not important for me. It doesn't matter for me as long as I want him and he is very sincere to me and he is take care of me. I don't care. I accept it all in my life. And about money, well, I'm not this really. I want a rich family as long as I can eat every day. I can buy our needs, our daily needs, and the important is which sustains what our daily needs and every day. It doesn't matter for me being rich as long as we are compatible and we are happy family. Well, intimacy in your relationship, well, it's fine as long as he is so sweet for me. And of course, he's passionate. Hello guys, just write me, message me, just find me my number 208090, and please come and visit me in the Philippines and write me and message me.
Travel to exciting places and meet hundreds of stunning single women.
Check out our website at anewbride.com.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.